are the owls. That owl family, there are 5 members. They are A, E, I, O, U. So, how many members are there in owl family? It's fine. Okay?
The vowels of the alphabet, I know them very well. Come on, say A, E,
I for you.
A, E,
I for you.
A, E.
I for you.
We are the vowels. Come on, say the vowels of the alphabet, I know them very well. A, E, I for you. A, E, I for you. A, E, I for you. We are the vowels. Do you?
Okay.
What is this?
Magical hat.
Magical hat. This magical hat is going to do a magic.
Okay.
Okay? Danish, you want to wear this? Okay. And what is this letter? Yeah, magic E. Of course it is E, and this E is going to do some magic. So come, what's your name? Come. He is going to spell the magic spell. Come. Say the magic spell. Abracadabra, gili gili chua. Okay. Okay, come on, say. Match, right? Mat. Now when the magic E comes and join with this mat, it becomes mate. Mate. But did you find any difference between mat and mate? Yeah, the A sounds changes into the long sound. The short sound turns into long sound. In mat we say at, but here in mate the A we pronounce as A. Eight, right? The A becomes A. The A becomes A. The E is here at last. Now the word becomes the man who will turn man into maid. Who will turn man into maid. Magic can. He's the man. Who is the man? Magic E. Now one more. Who will sing the song and spell the word? Who is ready? One more, shall I say?
Morning, as soon as we started the program, then ma'am has conducted a magic show with phonics, right? In that, it has answered very well. I am going to read the names. Please stand. Okay? Rohan Singh. Lohan Singh. Let us clap for him. Stand here. Ma'am is going to appreciate you with a gift. Okay? That is a gift for you. Wait. Mokshita.
For UKCK, even they have to know the short sounds, long sounds, soft sounds, hard sounds, along with blends, digraph, diphthong. Yes, this many we have in our school to teach the kids from the beginning, that is from kindergarten level. As a nursery child, they have to know the orals of the phonic single letter word sound. We have to introduce them as orals. From LKG, the child should recognize and identify the letter along with the sound. And please be quiet. Excuse me, all the kids. Have a look at me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Focus, everybody focus. Please. Yes, you are very good children. Thank you so much. So, from the UKZ, the single letter becomes the blends. So the two phonics blends together and gives the same sound are called blends. Yes, the child should know about the blends and then digraphs and then diphthong. Then only they can read a word without any stress. So our education is stress-free education with fine motor skills and many other activities. The basic of the learning is very innovative and in activities. But so many schools are very good in activities, whereas the lack of the academics, basic of the academics. But we are here, we are there to provide the activities along with the good basics, academics. Academics is very important, which is like in every school. But here, along with the activities,